This is a protector cultivation center at IRI, ICR, New Delhi. So these are the first protector center in India. So this is today we have discussed about what is the role of protector cultivation in horticulture crop or vegetable crop. So especially myself is Dr. Avani Kumar Singh, also introduced by organizer. So first of all, we have start to protector cultivation, but which is a 5J or 6J because the requirement of the help to protector cultivation. So first of all, we have observed to the 5J or 6J, water, soil, forest, climate, animal and young youth. हिंदी में अगर बात करें तो जल, जमीन, जंगल, जानवर, जलवायु और जवानी. So this is a 6 component. Those are requirement for the starting of the protected cultivation because of this 6J. Without 6J, we cannot promote to the protected cultivation technology nowadays. Because first unit of the water, quality water, available water, and the second is the soil, quality soil, sandy soil, and also ECPS will be good at the recommendation of scientific. Forest means agroforestry, har med pe ped. These are the concept by Ministry of Agriculture. So these are the agroforestry concept will be around the boundary covered by the agroforestry plan. And climate will be also maintained by the agroforestry and also polyhouse or greenhouse. And Janwar means animal. Animal will more requirement for the organic matter and other purpose. And the young youth will be more important. So these are the 6J, the basic need for the protected cultivation. So we have search and we have start search about the 6J. If you have 6J, quality 6J, then can start to the protected cultivation technique. So these are the 4 way. 4W, if you taking oath in the inner of the heart, मुझे कसम खानी होगी, मुझे अंदर से ओथ लेनी होगी कि 4W क्या मतलब जब हम प्रोटेक्टर कल्टीवेशन को स्टार्ट करेंगे. So we have feel that, query that, what, why, when and where. These are the 4W is more important for the starting of the protected cultivation. If you confirm, satisfy of the 4W, you can start the protected cultivation technology. So these are the protected cultivation technology. You can see here this is a definition of protected cultivation technology. So protected structure is a covered structure for the production of the crop with suitable production from biotic and abiotic stresses so as to increase productivity, quality with optimum resource utilization. These are the definition of protected cultivation. So we can say here the why say the protected cultivation and why say the greenhouse. Because of the installation of the structure known as greenhouse. Because of the structure will work on the greenhouse effect, short wavelength or long wavelength. So short wavelength coming inside of the structure and immediate reflect to the back of the long wavelength. So but covering material will return to the immediate inside of the structure, not is a pass out to the outside. So this is a phenomena is a greenhouse effect phenomena. So that structure name we have decided is a greenhouse. These are the in the English term of the greenhouse. So protected structure is internationally known as a greenhouse. But we can nowadays in the horticulture scientists creating the name of the protected cultivation. Because of protected structure or polyhouse structure or glasshouse structure or net house structure, so protects against biotic and abiotic stress. So these are the wind velocity, protect wind velocity, insect, pests, sunshine, temperature, wind velocity, cold wind, snow, lot of the abiotic structure, all are the protected by structure. So that called protected structure. No confuse greenhouse and protected structure, both are same, but different scientists can create the different name. So these are the protected structure and these are the greenhouse structure, both are same. So these are the component of the light, temperature, CO2, humidity, water and nutrient. After they start, the cultivation package of practice start, they are in need of the light, temperature, humidity, CO2, water and nutrient. These are the 5 components are most important for the protected cultivation crop production. Without these component, we cannot promote to the protected cultivation technology. These are the interaction of the environment extension inside of the greenhouse. How can interact to the environment? This is a C of the figures. So these are the lot of the name nowadays coming in protected cultivation. Everybody is confused. What is this? What is this? What is this? But I will say you, all are different name like that God. God having the lot of name, but one is a God. And the different area having the God. It's different name. Like that, the protected cultivation, everybody is saying that according to our name. Somebody is saying the high-tech farming, somebody is saying plastic culture farming, somebody is saying polyculture farming, somebody is saying covered cultivation, somebody is saying smart horticulture, somebody saying Israeli technology, nowadays somebody saying precision farming, somebody saying AI system, somebody saying soilless cultivation technology system. So these are the lot of the name and the smart. So these are the system, but we can clear one structure is having lot of name. So ultimately, this is a different name of the protected cultivation technology. So we can learn more about no confusion. Anybody ask to what smart farming, you can say precision farming, AI system, IO2 system, vertical system. So a lot of the frame cultivation, mushroom cultivation, lot of the covered in the structure, those are known as protected cultivation technology. So So these are the theme of protected cultivation. Protected cultivation technology is a part of processing engineering. So we can see here the theme, the depend. Protected cultivation की नींव क्या है, किस पे आधारित है? This is science. So we have seen 3 themes involved in protected cultivation and 3 science involved in protected cultivation. Without 3 subject knowledge, without 3 theme knowledge, we cannot create the excellent production, excellent quality, and excellent marketing. So we can see here the theme depend on the engineering more than 50% and physiology and environment science near about 25% and horticulture agronomy nearby 25%. Horticulture agronomy means horticulture having the knowledge about the horticulture agronomy, horticulture pathology, horticulture entomology, horticulture soil science. These are the agronomy package practices. All agronomical package practices, those are suitable for the production technology under protected condition. So having the knowledge about the agronomy, plant protection, pathology, soil science, water technology, and physiology, environment science, these are the 50% and one in the engineering more than 50%. So we have knowledge about the theme. So without this theme, we cannot promote to the technology. So these are the classification of covering material. What is the material? Those are suitable for installation of the protected structure. So we have divided 2 types of the material. One is the plastic covering material and second is the non-plastic covering material. Plastic covering material having the first is a 200 micron polythene, polyseed, 30 to 50% UV stabilized. Every material having nature UV stabilized. This is clear. Without UV stabilized, we cannot promote. So all polythene, those are covering by poly house, so 200 micron, and installation inside of the different agro color set net, 30 to 50%, 40 to 50 mesh insect proof net, and drip irrigation system, and micro mulching is a 20 to 50 micron, and MIS and drip irrigation system, and pro tray, pots, ropes, and others. So these are the plastic material and used for the covering structure. Nowadays, the hybrid structure now they flow in the market in the farmer field. So nowadays we can develop the hybrid greenhouse structure, a polyhouse structure. Hybrid polyhouse structure means polythene covering along with the insect root covering, along with the shade net covering. The three components we can cover each other together in the structure. And micro irrigation, drip irrigation system is a lifeline in the protected cultivation. These are the mandatory for installation of micro irrigation system or drip irrigation system. So, and the high-tech nursery is required of the pro trays or the plastic cup and plastic tray. So, non-plastic material, these are the role of the structure. The structure will make by bamboo, wooden, stone pillar, angle iron, and GI pipe. Nowadays, one of the best suitable material in the round GI pipe or square GI pipe, B grade. So these are the material, those are involved for development of the protected cultivation technology and development of the structure. Without this covering material, without this structure material, we cannot develop to the protected cultivation technology. So these are the, now you can see here, so different innovation in protected cultivation nowadays. A lot of innovation under protected cultivation like then. You can see different types of structure. Now the Indian farmer adopt in these type of the structure, and our government of India and Ministry of Agriculture and the Department of the Horticulture, Directorate of the Horticulture are provide to this type of the design of the structure. These are the whole country according to need of the ecological condition, and these are the design decided by hill condition, decided by plain condition, decided by coastal area condition. And this type of the design, different area and different design we can use for the around air production technology of the vegetable and others. So you can see here, zone-wise fan-pad or naturally ventilated greenhouse is developed by engineers. Solar and solar panel-based design and temporary protected structure like that high tunnel, low tunnel, closure, trench tunnel, foliage and mulching. These are the temporary need-based covering of the crop as per need, and combination of UV stabilized covering material like that 25 to 200 micron polythene, IP net, set net, silver net, and blocking, micro irrigation, fertigation, decision support system, high tech, smart technology, precision cultivation, sensor based comprised system. These are innovation. Plant density, canopy management, year-round production. So these are the new innovation we can use for the protected cultivation technology. Innovation in protected cultivation is the new innovation now coming is a very renowned innovation. You know everybody, soilless production system under greenhouse condition. So these are the vertical cultivation. These are the known as vertical farming, vertical cultivation, and soilless cultivation. So you can show everybody soilless production system we have divided into 4 groups. First is soil, solid soilless based system. Second is rock wool based system. Third is rock based or stone based system. Fifth is a hydroponic aquaponic NFT system. Six is a aeroponic system. These are the part of the soilless cultivation. So these are the and other innovation like the robotic gravity pollination production system, vertical cum hanging production system, and roof rainwater harvesting GI irrigation rain-fed area for this system. So these are the new innovation now coming in the government of India is very focused to the vertical farming and robotic farming, grafting farming, pollination. These are the requirement. And nowadays coming is a inside of the polyhouse cultivation and greenhouse cultivation. So these are the design we have showing here. A plain condition design. What is the plain condition design? You can see here and learn more. And these are the this type of the design suitable for plain area because of the plain area having multi span design and the hill area having single span design, both type of the design. So these are the, you can see here different name of the design, you can see and learn more. So these are the conditional design we have developed according to elevation, situation, and climatic condition, topography, lot of the condition we can change to the design for the farmer profitability. And we have classified in the polyhouse. Polyhouse, the main unit of the protected cultivation, main branch of the protected cultivation. Protected cultivation having a lot of branch, but polyhouse is a main branch, main unit, main structure. So we can see here, polyhouse divided into two groups, semi-controlled group or naturally ventilated group. But semi-controlled group having two types of the design of the polyhouse. First is a fine bed polyhouse and second is a force ventilated polyhouse. So these are the device-based polyhouse known as semi-controlled controlled polyhouse or greenhouse. And NV polyhouse, naturally ventilated polyhouse, we can say the other name, zero electric device based polyhouse system. So these are the classification and knowledge about the polyhouse technology, how many design we can use for plain area or hill area. So these are the design of the polyhouse because of the component. You can see here the protected structure. Nowadays, launch in the Indian engineer and Indian scientists, different area and different type. Fine pet site, set nets, multi-spawn set net, double spawn insect proof net, single spawn, low tunnel, high tunnel mulching. These are the component of the protected cultivation. And these are design and these are the features, these are the structures is a unique under protected cultivation technology. These are the beneficial for the farmer and growers. So you can see here that we can say the before of the theme engineering is a more terminology, more science in engineering, science in the protector cultivation. You can see and learn more here. The everybody is engineering word like that: orientation, wind load, snow load, crop load, slope, water level, GI pipe size and quality, gutter quality, elbow size and quality, purlin size and quality, profile combatant size, GI wire and quality, pole to pole distance, electric board panel, elbow, gutter elbow, grouting, purlin, top pipe, grade pipe, size of pipe, GI wire, clamp, nut bolt, hockey space, hand curtain, motorized curtain, ventilation, ventilator, more ventilator area. These are the engineering terms. अगर ये आपको आएगा तो स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा बनेगा, इसका नॉलेज होगा, ये जितने शब्द हैं ये इंजीनियरिंग के शब्द हैं। प्रोसेस इंजीनियरिंग में स्ट्रक्चर एक चैप्टर होता है, स्ट्रक्चर करके एक कोर्स होता है प्रोसेस इंजीनियरिंग का, जो पढ़ाया जाता है, बहुत बड़ा कोर्स होता है। तो उसके तहत स्ट्रक्चर के तहत ये आता है ग्रीन हाउस स्ट्रक्चर। उसमें इन चीज़ों का नॉलेज होना चाहिए कि ये किस तरह की होनी चाहिए, क्या साइज होनी चाहिए। तो दिस आर इंजीनियरिंग। बट नाउ इट इज माई एक्सपीरियंस the design after the design after the terminology of the engineering, these are the part, everybody is a part using in the development of the greenhouse. So you can see here the ratio of length and width. If you have maintained 80-20 ratio or 75-25 ratio, length and width, they can improve the productivity and production. Ultimately, nowadays, every design is a nearby Vargakar and a square or triangular type. So nearby length and width nearby equal. So that design will be some area having the negative role play. So this is my experience. If you have new construction in our field and start, so can maintain the length and width 75-25 ratio or 80-25. So these are my suggestions. So these are the requirement of supporting system. You can see here these are the engineering. Quality water supply system we can use. MIS system, the irrigation system, these are the engineering. Cooling system, ventilation system, decision support system, and electric supply and pumping system, mechanized system, data lager system, and and storage and cold storage system, grading, packaging, stock packaging, and import system. So a lot of engineering knowledge we can include here, and without engineering knowledge, we cannot promote a protected cultivation. So these are the finally classification of the protected cultivation. These are the final we can develop during some year ago. What is the actual classification of protected cultivation? So you can see here and learn the protected technology is a divided into 4 groups. First is the greenhouse group, second is tunnel group, third is surface cover group, and fourth is the vertical or staking group. These are the part of the protected cultivation. But greenhouse group, hiving structure, these are the name: glass house, poly house, IP net house, shed net house, FRP house. These are the permanent structure, and this is a real protected structure. And tunnel group is having temporary structure, like that high tunnel, low tunnel, and closure, polyhenge and other. So these are the temporary structure. These are the need-based structure, known as micro poly house, because of this life will be 1 month, 10 days, 20 days, 2 months, 3 months maximum. So then the surface cover is known as biomulch and plastic mulch, only for cover to the surface, and soil bed will be covered. And vertical and staking farming, we can different type of the staking method we can use: tent type, pandal type, U-shape type, V-shape type, lot of the vertical. These are the use of the vertical farming. Vertical farming is a part of protected cultivation technology. These are the classification of protected cultivation. So these are this type of the polyhouse: fan pad polyhouse, naturally ventilated polyhouse. So these are the range of the temperature we can maintain automatically, and 10 to 30 degree of the temperature we can maintain around here. RS 50 to 80%, and sunshine 400 to 800 watt per meter square. CO2 level will maintain 300 to 1500 ppm. This is a average temperature we can maintain under protected conditions, and that range will be suitable and play a positive role under protected condition for the production and productivity. So these are the no problem. Some scientists will be recommended as a fix: this temperature will be suitable, this humidity will be smoother, this CO2 level will be, but we cannot maintain, only for maintain to device base. And high-tech polyhouse or high-tech greenhouse or computerized greenhouse can maintain to the recommended temperature, RH and CO2 and other. Because of the, we can add to the device for the temperature, for the humidity, for the CO2 device, for the sunshine, light, LED light and other. So we can requirement to fulfill that. In the negative time of the cloudy time, we can provide LED light. Low temperature, we can provide heaters, and RH, we can provide fogger. So these are this type of the dehumidifier, humidifier, lot of the device. So these are the high-tech polyhouse, will known as device-based polyhouse. Device-based polyhouse or greenhouse, we can maintain as programming, as a program. If you need 30 degree, you can maintain 30 degree. You can maintain 50% of RH, you can maintain 50%. You require sunshine only for 400 watt meter square 2 hour, you can maintain so LED light. So the type of the option, but high tech is a high cost. But Indian market is not a high cost provider. So these are the we can maintain to the semi-controlled polyhouse. Little bit maintained to the electric cost. But high cost is a much more electric cost. So these are the different. But these range will be suitable for protector cultivation. So what is the advantage of protector cultivation and positive role of the protector cultivation? Why need of the protector cultivation? So we can see here the increase yield and quality. This is a advantage. Minimize attacks of animal climatic incidents. Beneficial for marginal and weaker section farmer. Increase employment or livelihood. Save land and water for other crops. Minimize time and provide further for women farmers. Promote soilless hydroponic aeroponic technology under protected condition. Can use to roof with pot cultivation. Play a key role to IPM, INM and organic produce. And helpful to the breeding workers and enhance the seed industry. Play a key role to women reductions. Promotion of grafting of horticultural crop. Promote quality seed come hybrid seed production. Promote vertical farming techniques. So these are the benefit for the from the protected cultivation. अगर हम अपने हिंदी भाषा में बोलें कि अगर कोई पूछता है कि भाई करीब 50 से 100 प्रॉब्लम आ रही है खेती करने में, कोई सलूशन नहीं मिल रहा है, तो हम यहाँ अपनी भाषा में बताना चाहेंगे कि 100 प्रॉब्लम एक सलूशन, 10 और उस सलूशन का नाम है यू कैन अडॉप्ट प्रोटेक्टेड कल्टीवेशन. 100 प्रॉब्लम 1 सॉल्यूशन, नेम इज प्रोटेक्टेड कल्टीवेशन. दिस इज नेट सल में दिस इज सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है. दूसरी बात अगर हम कहें हिंदी में, इंश्योरेंस एग्रीकल्चर, सेकेंडरी एग्रीकल्चर. व्हाट इज इंश्योरेंस एग्रीकल्चर? व्हाट इज सेकेंडरी एग्रीकल्चर? You can easy going answer to the only for protected cultivation. So these are the advantage. ये हमने अपने जो हिंदी भाषी लोग हैं उनको हमने बताया, उनको अपना समझाया. तो ये एक सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज जो हमने बताया, इंश्योरेंस एग्रीकल्चर है, सेकेंडरी एग्रीकल्चर का एक पार्ट है और 100 प्रॉब्लम का एक सॉल्यूशन है. So this is the beauty of the protected cultivation. So these are the beauty of protected cultivation. You can see here heavy snowfall, all open condition crop will be covered or by burf, by snowfall. But protected cultivation save the crop. You can believe that. You can see this is the advantage of protected cultivation. This is the beauty of protected cultivation. This is the, and these are the backbone. Protected cultivation is the backbone for hill farmers, hill growers. So these are the beauty. And these are the ultraviolet effect in the any place. We can protect against ultraviolet during May, June, July. So these are the all polyhouse, polythene or brick. So but covered by shed net, 50% shed net, the all poly cover will be saved, and that covering material cut to the ultraviolet, minimize the temperature, optimize the sunshine, and enhance the quality color per unit area during the negative environment. So these are the beauty of protected cultivation. You can see here. This is a hill area, single span polyhouse. You can see this is a design, a small design we can promote at hill area like the Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Northeast. These are the hill area, hill and plateau area. Those are the recommended for single span polyhouse. Those are suitable for farmers. So these are the major challenges: area expansion, training of human resource, development of the literature, suitable marketing sport opportunity, plant protection technology, and the grafting technology. These are the challenges. Soilless cultivation, vertical farming, these are the challenges. So these are the objective of protected cultivation. We can see here, these are the objective we have done of this objective of the program. Minimize biotic and biotic cluster and increase production, productivity and quality per unit area. Promote livelihood and employment for the marginal weaker farmer and schooled up student. Emphasize time, labor, fertilizer, water saving and judicial use of the pesticide, and increase year-round production of the horticulture crop for the doubling income generation to the urban and peri-urban farmers. These are the 4 objectives we can use for the protected cultivation technology. So these are the pre-built of the government policy. Pre-built of the government policy. कुछ चीजें होती हैं पोस्ट बिल्ट होती हैं, बाद में जुड़ती हैं. कुछ चीजें होती हैं इनबिल्ट होती हैं, जो जन्म से ही होती हैं. तो यहाँ जैसे आप बोलते हैं अपने बच्चों के केस में कि भाई ये होनहार विद्वान के हो चिकनोपात, मतलब ये होनहार बच्चा है, ये इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा है. 1000 बच्चे पढ़ते हैं स्कूल में, एक आदमी टॉप करता है, उसी टीचर के द्वारा एक ही टॉप करता है, बाकी 999 पढ़ते हैं वो नहीं कर पाते. तो दिस इज ए इनबिल्ट, मतलब उसका जेनेटिकल स्ट्रांग है, उसका पहले से गॉड गिफ्टेड है, वो तेज है, ब्राइट है. उसी तरह प्री बिल्ड का इस टेक्नोलॉजी को जब डेवलप किया गया, इसमें जब गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी बनाई और जो उनको लॉन्च करने की बात हुई, और 15 अगस्त को माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी अक्सर कुछ चीजें बोले हैं, इसमें से आप पढ़ेंगे, तो उसमें देखा गया कि आपका बहुत सी चीजें प्रोटेक्टेड कल्टीवेशन में ऐसी जान के डाली गई थी. वैज्ञानिकों ने इसको ऐसा लिंक किया था कि इसमें जो आज पॉलिसी बन रही है वो पहले से इसमें प्री बिल्ट है. जैसे एक उदाहरण के रूप में आप देखिए, पॉलिसी ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज. ऑल प्रोजेक्ट नाउ डेज पॉलिसी ऑन क्लाइमेट, ऑल प्रोजेक्ट गवर्न बाई पॉलीहाउस टेक्नोलॉजी. Without protected structure, we cannot evaluate what is the role of climate change. So these are the, and the negative climate, we cannot promote the quality, we cannot promote the production. So negative effect we can control by polyhouse, by protected cultivation. These are the policy change पे, climatic change पे policy बनी हुई है, ये ऑटोमेटिक उसका एक पार्ट है. Per drop more crop also, drip irrigation system, micro irrigation system, water harvesting already involved in this side. PM सिंचाई योजना, water harvesting will be more requirement, पहले से इसमें होती है, किया जाता है. Doubling farmer income, already 3 to 4 time income we can receive, ऑटोमेटिक होती है, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वर्टिकल फार्मिंग ऑलरेडी इसमें इनबिल्ट है, एवरी क्रॉप वी कैन ग्रो वर्टिकली up to roof type. So these are also in the pre-built. And urban gardening, we can the use of the urban farming and urban gardening. Everybody is use of the nursery in the urban farm, urban gardening में. Flower cultivation is very economical for the urban area. So these are the inbuilt of that. PM Rozgar Yojana, one of the best cultivation structure for the employment generation. One of the commercial agriculture. These are protected cultivation is a commercial agriculture. Those are provide to the employment. So these are the one of the best. Local for vocal, organic farming became the part of the use of the organic farming because of protect biotic and biotic vectors. So this is the one component we can use of the as a organic mode and chemical free farming. Subsidy plan already policies पे also provide to the government of India and state government, both will be submitted. So these are the pre-built in the government policy also. These are the beauty of protected cultivation. So these are the these are the basic about the protected cultivation. What is the need and others requirement, engineering part, this part, design part, and everybody. These are the basic part of the protected cultivation. Now coming to the production part. After that, everything is done. The structure will be done. So how can promote to the protector cultivation technology, production technology. So these are the use. First, we have started the round ear nursery. So you can see here the round ear nursery we can promote. So grow off season and protest system, zero mortality we can found. Farmer can earn more than 10 lakh rupees from 500 to 1000 meter square area. So high-tech nursery system we can use under protected cultivation technology, device-based system. So we can grow round here. So round here we can grow 10 batch nursery of the vegetable, annual flowers, and also we can use 1 or 2 batch of the fruit nursery. So these are the basic theme of the nursery cultivation. We can focus under protected cultivation technology, soilless media 3:1:1, coco pit, perlite, and vermiculite. And rest of the traditional system. This is a namaste, sir. So coco pit, perlite, vermiculite, these are the soilless media suitable for international nursery media. And name is Israel media, international media, and soilless media, 3:1:1. But we can develop to the indigenous media through the local material. Local for vocal, these are the PM word. So we can use for the 2 part of the coco pit, 2 part of the vermicompost, 1 part sand and 1 part ice. We can mix together and treated by trichoderma, then use for the to use for as a indigenous media. So we can grow up the nursery, but is a small farmer, bigger farmer, not as a commercial. So these are the use for that. Slowly we can use and earn money, then start to the high-tech nursery. So these are the startup. Because of the high-tech nursery media, and soilless media having more than 5,000 rupees quintal. So no everybody purchase, and because of that availability is very poor in the every place. Only for the some area is rich for the availability. So these are the big problem to the farmer, remote area and hill area. This material will be provided in not easy going. So we can develop to the indigenous media. We can discuss about. So both are the equal, but is the economical sound of the indigenous media we can use. So these are the. So you can see here, these are the method of the indigenous method, local method. We can use as the surface and indigenous media, and we can use of the Israeli technology. Both are equivalent, but this is the indigenous media, big problem for the fungus attack, but you can carefully treated by trichoderma or bavastin. This is a free from disease. So this is a development of the nursery technology. So you can see here. So this is the indigenous media we can grow. This is a high-tech nursery system. We can grow round here, 10 batch of the nursery and gain 10 lakh rupees. So these are the only one commercial adventure of the protected cultivation round here nursery of the vegetable. So these are the view. And second technology, if you have not polyhouse, so we can provide to the tunnel technology. You adopt tunnel technology and make itself. Tunnel technology को आप अपने से बना सकते हैं. Only for 3 meters of the length of the GI wire or 6 mm GI saria. 6 mm of rod, and other plastic pipes. We can cut and the piece 3 meters is the length, and also the purchase to the 100 micron polythene, sardine net, and insect proof net covering material. So we can cover as per need of the nursery plant. Slowly we can develop to the more area and gain almost equal to the high-tech nursery. अगर आप चाहें, अगर पैसा नहीं है तो ये बिजनेस आप 15 से 20 हजार में स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, टनल टेक्नोलॉजी वाला। आप करीब जो है 1-2 हिस्से में उगाएं, माने 1000 वर्ग मीटर में पहले उगाएं टनल से नर्सरी, और उसके बाद 2000 में जाएं, फिर 3000 में जाएं। नर्सरी इसमें उतनी अच्छी होती है जितना पॉली हाउस में होती है, बट बी केयरफुली कि टाइम टू टाइम जो है करना। हेलो,
हाँ उन्हीं भाई।
हाँ सर, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। क्या कहीं मीटिंग उटिंग में हो क्या?
एक क्लास ले रहे थे।
क्लास ले रहे हो?
जी, ऑनलाइन से। बताइए।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, 2 मिनट बात हो सकती है कि बाद में करें?
बाद में कर लीजिए सर, रुक गया क्लास ना।
एक लेक्चर आपका रखा हुआ है, बस इतना ही बताना है।
कब?
एक लेक्चर आपका है और वो है आपका कब है देखना तो विजिट। एक मिनट थोड़ा ब्रेक कर लीजिए, थोड़ा सा पानी वानी पी लीजिए।
नहीं, वो चल रहा है, ऑनलाइन है सर। 700 पार्टिसिपेंट हैं सर।
700 पार्टिसिपेंट को लेक्चर मिल रहे हैं? माय गुडनेस।
ऑल इंडिया की है
अच्छा
सर।
ये ऐसा है डॉक्टर साहब
जी सर।
कि प्रोस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ फ्रूट कल्टीवेशन इन लद्दाख अंडर प्रोटेक्टेड कंडीशन, ठीक है?
ठीक सर।
ये 2 से 5 बजे तक है, आपको 25 तारीख को है, हाँ?
ठीक ठीक सर, ठीक है, ठीक।
25 है, आगे पीछे हो जाएगा, कोई
कोई
दिक्कत
नहीं
नहीं,
सर,
ठीक है?
हम फिर मिल लेंगे सर, सर। ठीक है सर।
और ये अंडर ग्रेजुएट के बच्चे हैं डॉक्टर साहब, ये ITI के हैं,
कोई
कारगिल
नहीं
के
सर,
हैं, हाँ?
हो जाएगा सर, ठीक है।
हम बोले ओनी विल बी द मोस्ट कॉम्पिटेंट पर्सन टू टीच देम।
नहीं, ठीक है, हो जाएगा सर, एग्री।
ओके, थैंक।
Sorry. So this is a view of the tunnel technology, almost equal to the polyhouse, but you are growing smartly, having knowledge of the tunnel technology, covering material, which time is cover which material. So we can 1 or 2 days training, and also this is a tunnel technology raised bed. We can indigenize method you can use. So no need of the more money, near about 20,000 rupiah we can start. So these are the tunnel technology we can use of the nursery. So high tunnel nursery, low tunnel nursery. By this technology also covered by winter season of the cocoa beets, we can grow advanced. So these are the technology is suitable for the earliness of and round leader to the nursery. So you can see here this is the tunnel technology used for the cultivation of the cocoa beets is advanced early or off season. In the winter season, rainy season, we can promote to the vegetable production under plain condition, under hill condition. You can see here during November, December, we can use of the tunnel technology. So along with the deep irrigation system, and after the December and start to January, we can produce to the zucchini, uh, round zucchini and others cocoa beans we can produce. So January, February 2 months is a actually early and off season of the cocoa beans in this some place that will be more income further received by farmers. This is high tunnel suitable for bigger section, hill areas, small farmer, landless farmers. So we can use that 100-meter square area. We can make develop itself, and near about 30 to 35,000 rupees is a cost. So these are the likely to the high tunnel is a we can enter inside of the tunnel and use round in nursery. So if you develop nearby 4 to 5 nursery high tunnel, you can earn 2 lakh 3 lakh rupees per year for vegetable nursery. So these are the semi polyhouse or micro polyhouse, but we can develop by GI pipe and the cost will be nowadays 30 to 35,000 rupees. So these are the main component of the polyhouse. Polyhouse having a main component for production of vegetable camping. Renowned vegetable we can say tomato, cherry tomato, colored capsicum, and cucumber. These are the four crops are commercialized for production under protected cultivation technology. So you can see here the highly indeterminate tomato variety we use. So name is the NS4266, Raksita, Naveen 2000 plus, Nutan, Snehilata, Avinash 2, GS6 under Karnataka, cherry tomato, Pusa cherry 1, Pusa cherry 2, and others cherry tomato. And these are the development of INM combination, FYM, compost plus NPK, plus calcium and boron. This is a mixed micronutrient and mega nutrient along with the compost. These are the nutrient applied for the production of the greenhouse technology. So these are the doses 150, 120, 130 kg per hectare at the rate of, and nearby 5 kg per hectare of the boron and 3% to 4% spray of the boron. So calcium and boron is a more important element for the greenhouse capsicum, greenhouse tomato, because of the deficiency is installed the blossoming rot. The blossoming rot is a damage to the market loss. So these are the very this physiological and nutrients disorder. So these are the U and fertilizer fertigation and other name of the fertilizer, use of the urea, phosphate, MOP, mixed fertilizer, NPK 2020, and micronutrient by calcium chloride. So these are the adaptation and these are the news of this year. So this is the beauty of the protected cultivation. This is the method of protected cultivation. This is a method of the tomato production under polyhouse condition. This polyhouse is a naturally ventilated polyhouse, and we can use drip irrigation system, raised bed system, training, pruning, and tasseling system we can use. That a time of the planting August month and time of last harvesting is the June second week. So nearby more than 10 months we can cultivate of the tomato crop in the plain area. And after in the hill area, we can promote to the February, March up to November, December. These are the period of the cultivation of tomato. So single branch cultivation, tasseling system, lowering system is more important for the tomato crop. The time of planting August month and number of plant per meter square 4 and 1000 meter square having 2800 plant to 3000 plant. These are the crop geometry, and the weekly and 10 days per training pruning will start continuously as a mechanized system, and the drip irrigation fertigation is a twice and thrice in the week we can use smartly, and the ratio of the fertilizer provided in the fertigation 100 ppm, 150 ppm, and 200 ppm, and low, medium, high. These are the range of the fertigation of the NPK along with the micronutrient. So micronutrient will provide into 2 or 1 time in the month. If your soil health is a good, micronutrient level rich, so we can provide only for the 1 time of the mixed micronutrient like the multiplex, agromine, sagarika, biobeta, and other. So these are the calcium nitrate mixed with the calcium nitrate. And finally, we can use as a micronutrient, calcium nitrate will be more important and boron will be more important. So if you use for during monthly interval, they can maintain the disorder and blossoming rot and cracking of the fruit, we can maintain of the under greenhouse conditions. So these are the nutrition level. The integrated nutrient management, we can combine it to the compost and then solid fertilizer, and there are the water soluble fertilizer and the liquid fertilizer. So we can learn here the nutrient management is more important for the greenhouse. we can combination. We can maintain the combination of the nutrient and fertilizer, so then increase the production productivity, color quality per unit area, and long time. So this is the open field condition. We have transplant October, November of the tomato and harvest up to April. So 3 months of we can receive the harvesting period. But in the polyhouse condition, a protected condition, tomato plant will August month and start of the harvesting October month. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. This is 8 months. So 7 to 8 months we have taken harvesting. So open में कहाँ 3 महीना और यहाँ कहाँ 7 months. So this is the beauty of the protected cultivation. 7 month harvesting means 7 times more from open field condition because of 3 month harvesting and 7 month harvesting. These are the yield gap automatically maintained by protected cultivator. This is a comparison. This is a comparative indicator of the open field condition and other. But tomato cultivation under protected cultivation is insurance. Not is damaged by any biotic stress. Not is damaged by any biotic stress. So these are the maintain every is plant. But open condition we cannot maintain. Affected by abiotic stress, affected by biotic stress, affected by animals, affected by bird. These are the problem in the open field condition. So these are the comparative study of the protected cultivation. This is the need of the protected cultivation. So you can see here the production of the 1000 worg meter area. So nearby 300 quintal per 1000 meter square area we can receive. Or the basic unit 30 kg to 35 kg produce of tomato under protected condition, but you can maintain to August to June. You can maintain to the IRI recommended methodology. If you maintain, if you adopt to the IRI recommended technology, that will be getting more than 25, more than 35 kg per meter square. Ultimately, normally we can receive nearby 15 kg, 10 to 15 kg of tomato per meter. These are the beauty of the IRI methodology technology, IRI's recommended technology. So this is a tomato cultivation. This is a hill tomato cultivation, is small polyhouse. Pusa Rakshit variety is more important, and Rakshita variety is more important. Sanelata is more important for hill area because of the same indeterminate. So these are the beauty of the polyhouse technology at the hill areas and the high rainfall area, May, June, July. The rainfall is much more. The open cultivation tomato is a failure. Damage to the rainfall, hailfall, snowfall, and other diseases. But polyhouse technology saves all problem. You can see here that the Uttarakhand farmers grow the excellently tomato and getting near about 22 kg of the yield of the per meter square. So these are the second is the cherry tomato variety. Also, we can discuss cherry tomato, Pusa cherry 1, Pusa cherry 2. And also other varieties we can use of the polyhouse condition. This is a beauty. Same month of the planting, same plant of the planting. So 4 plant per meter square and August planting or up to May. Crop end up to May. Near about more than 7 to 8 months harvesting you can receive. So these are the production that we have received near to 15 to 20 kg per meter square of the cherry tomato. So these are the cherry tomato, the nematode tolerant. This is beauty. High cost selling and the more than 100 rupee kg is the farm gate. And if you getting IND market and other Bangalore market and mall, so getting 400 kg. So this is a high cost vegetable under protected cultivation technology. So this is Pusa cherry one is a more important. So this is a, and fertigation also low, medium, high, 100 ppm, 150 ppm, and 200 ppm is a continuous is a provide to the sequencing and the crop scheduling. So more than 60%, more than 50 to 60% fertilizer we can use as a basal dose, and FYM or vermicompost or compost used as the last preparation of the bed, but treated by trichoderma and other pesticide. And 30 to 40 to 30% fertilizer only for given by fertigation system. Because of the total requirement, we cannot provide to the fertigation system. Because the ppm system is a very low concentration, we cannot provide to the by full dose of the nutrient in the soil. So these are the split of the fertilizer dose 60-40. 60 we can use as a vessel dose, 40 as a use of the fertigation dose. This is it. You can, these are the training pruning system, the soil pruning system. You can see here. Also, tomato is also under net house, under poly house, according to area, when promote to the high yielding variety. And third crop is a colored capsicum. You can see the different types of colored capsicum according to your liking of the color. You can grow under protected cultivation. Without protected cultivation technology, polyhouse technology, we cannot grow to color capsicum. Only for grow green capsicum. Because of the colored capsicum having a size, having a lobe. So only for develop under protected cultivation. So this is a beauty of the protected cultivation for colored capsicum. So Indian market having three type of the color capsicum: green, yellow, and red. So these are the variety name. Green is a Bharat, Mahabharat, Indum 5 Tanvi plus Tanvi, and Tanvi plus Oro Valley Swarna is yellow, and Bombay, Natasha, Indra, Anand 30th one is Natasha, R is a red color. These are the variety, and these are the lot of variety, yellow color and other. So this is the view of the production technology. So what is the method of the production technology of the capsicum? So this is the 6 plant per meter square. We have plant under August month, and they can take on the full length crop of the up to May. This is not the beyond of the May. So May, up to May, we can promote. But protected cultivation, the structure of the polyhouse, semi-controlled polyhouse, या high-tech polyhouse will required for the capsicum under plain calcium. आ जाओ. So plain condition. Naturally ventilated polyhouse reduce the harvesting period. If you grow under the naturally ventilated in plain area, hot area, rain-fed area, so your harvesting period reduced nearby 40 days. But you can grow under semi-controlled polyhouse and fine pad polyhouse. Devise the cooling system. So you can take into 40 days more period of the yield. So 40 days more yield we can receive. So this is the beauty of the protected cultivation technology. And we can retain the 6 plant, and every plant having 2 branches, all branch will be reduced, will be pruned. So 2 branch system, maximum 3 branch system, we can take on for the colored capsicum. But you have received only for green capsicum, so I think no need of the pruning, training and testing. Only for taken colored capsicum, you can start with that pruning of the branch, training of the branch, trestling of the branch. You can see here 2 branch or 3 branch is retain in the each plant. So nowadays the production and productivity we can achieve near to 12 kg per meter square, or 120 to 125 quintal is a colored capsicum, and green capsicum more than 15 kg per meter square, and in quintal 150 quintals in the 1000 meter square. So these are the productivity and production of the 1000 meter square area. And also discuss fertigation will provide same low, medium, high, 100 ppm, 115, 30 ppm. Fertilizer is only for the liquid fertilizer, or water soluble fertilizer, and monthly or twice in the month or one time of the month we can provide to the micronutrient, mixed micronutrient through fertigation system. You can see here, this is the hill areas production techniques. This is a plain area production techniques. This is a hill area production technique. This is small greenhouse. You can grow in the green capsicum. No need of the training pruning, no need of the testing. You can see up there at a hill condition of the Uttarakhand. This is a colored capsicum. The need of the single plant cultivation for the quality of the colored capsicum, more than 5 to 600 gram of the each piece of the capsicum. You can see here. So this is the lifeline of the deep irrigation, micronutrient and mega nutrient. Through fertigation system is a more beneficial at the hill area. The hill area is a very suitable for the colored capsicum under polyhouse condition. You can see here. So these are the productivity is the double as well compared to plain area in the, and the quality is a 4 times is a more as a plain area because of the climatic concern is there. These are the cool thanda. Climate condition is a very cool in the hill area. The cooling effect will be more suitable for the development of the color, quality and quantity under polyhouse condition at hill area and high altitude area. So this is the polyhouse technology is a backbone and very economical to the color capsicum at hill areas. So you can see here. You can see at the baby capsicum also we can grow. It's a very beneficial of the baby capsicum. Baby capsicum having is a character of the 4 to 5 piece, we can receive 10 or 20 rupees. But big capsicum, you cannot receive one piece is a 20 rupees. These are the high cost. So these are the some person is a missing or less to the capsicum add in the diet. But small capsicum you can add easily going in the our diet and increase our nutrition and health. So the quality. So these are the because of 10 rupees 2 to 3 piece we can purchase. So these are the beauty and almost at par yield we have received to the big and baby capsicum. You can see here the all techniques. You can see here this is a greenhouse, ventilator greenhouse, device-based greenhouse, hybrid greenhouse. You can see cooling pad, fan greenhouse, deep irrigation, equipment, fertigation, eco greenhouse. So these are the beauty of the protected cultivation for the plain area and hill area. Both are the more beneficial. So you can see the baby capsicum. These are see baby capsicum. And packaging also beneficial for the farmer. And you can grow under open condition through mulching and deep irrigation technology of the green capsicum. But yield potential will be more, will be less, but little bit the more as with integration of fertigation and plastic mulch. So these are the result of the capsicum and polyhouse condition, polytunnel, polymulching and open condition. We can see in the growth development and also yield potential and income potential we can show. So we have received the more potential and more income at the greenhouse and polyhouse. So because of the polyhouse is a more beneficial for vegetable crop. You can say these are the we can grow in the virus-free seed production of the capsicum, chili and others. So third, fourth crop is the cucumber. So lot of variety available in the market. These are somebody is showing the English cucumber, somebody is saying of the polyhouse cucumber, greenhouse cucumber, and because this scientifically is a parthenocarpic and gynosis cucumber. So this is a lot of variety. This is Kian Citis, Children Sunstar, Multi-Star, DAPC, Pia, Poinsett, Moldini, all are the varieties suitable for polyhouse condition. And this is a view of the protector cultivation cucumber production under protector cultivation technology at hill area. So we can see the disease-free crop we can grow through the defertigation system. So this is a beauty of the protector cultivation. We have accommodated the 6 plant per meter square and 4,200 plant we have accommodated under 1,000 meter square area of the polyhouse. And the 42 4,200 seed required near about 22,000 rupees. So we can take in 3 crop within year under plain season, and we can take in 2 crop under hill condition of the cucumber. So that is a rate 22 to 23,000 rupees in 1,000 rupees, 1,000 meter square area. So this is a cost of seed 3 to 5 rupees, between 3 to 5 rupees. So nearby 20 to 20,000 rupees. So these are the direct seeding of the plant and also grow to the seedling of the plant. So we can calculate, we can promote to the cucumber cultivation. So first, if you belong to plain area, you can put in the last week of July of the seed sowing or plants transplanting. So put up to October. The first crop we can August, September, October up to November. These are harvest completely. And second crop put in the same field November or November and come to the January. And third crop will put up the January or last week of January and first week February. I come up to May or June. So 3 crop taken under same polyhouse within a year and same planting material and same fertilizer, same others. So we can very economic growing of the plant and the crop. So this is suitable for the cucumber under protector cultivation technology. These are very economical crop to the farmer. So if you give the example, if you have 1 acre poly house and taken 3 crop of the cucumber under within a year, so taken nearby 6 to 7 lakh rupees net income. And cost of cultivation is near about 12 lakh, 13 lakh rupees per 1 acre. So cut off the 50%. 50% we can saving net return. So this is a much more beneficial. So this is a very commercial crop under protector cultivation technology. You can see a different type of the design of the greenhouse. We can grow during summer season. If you have polyhouse, cooling pad and pad, the summer crop will be excellently. These are naturally ventilated polyhouse winter season. And also we can grow in the long melon, same 6 plant per meter square and taken in the off season. And the planting will be start to the August and taken 2 crop August, September, October and November, December, January, up to February. 2 crop we can take and also is very beneficial off season of the long melon, off season and off season bitter gourd production and off season muskmelon production. These are we can grow under winter season. We can grow under winter season is purely off season. But the help of the hand pollination or bumblebee pollination system. So we can, without is a cross-pollinated crop, without hand pollination, morning 7 to 8 hours, we cannot set to the fruit. So every each day, we can come to the 7 to 8 hour and pollination by hand and pollination by honeybee we can create daily. So this is a cultivation practices under polyhouse condition and receive the more yield during off season. So this is a cultivation package of practices, almost similar. Production technology, agronomical package of practices are similar to the all of the greenhouse. Every crop taken to the nutrient almost similar. You can see. Zucchini also we can grow under off season with the help of hand pollination. Zucchini we can take in 2 times within winter season, in the off season under polyhouse condition. Polymulching technology is a new mulching technology. Those areas having more weed incidence can use of the mulching technology. And those areas having the water stress, no water for irrigation, rain-fed area, dryland area. So we can conserve the moisture by mulching technology. If you integrate by drip irrigation system along with the mulching, that will be better for the rain-fed area, dryland area, and sandy soil, and the other area. Those are the suffering from the water stress, moisture stress, and incidence of the weed. So these are the beauty of this technology, minimize of that problem and enhance 30 to 40% in yield and income. So this is a view. So mulching technology is saved fertilizer 25%. And the saved irrigation water 50%, saved erosion 50%, saved expenditure 50%, saved crop mortality 60%, saved forest pruning 75%, saved time drudgery reduction 50%, enhanced yield and quality 50%, saved more return 45%, and enhance nutrient in daily diet in 25%. These are the beauty of the open field condition along with the mulching technology. Mulching technology is known as protector cultivation technology or horticulture technology along with the irrigation technology. So you can see here the mulching technology free from the weed incidence and conserve to the moisture and nutrient uptake is the more in the rain-fed area, in the hill area, in the other area. So saving the erosion, soil erosion also is a more good character of the mulching technology. See there mulching technology. Said that technology we can use for the vegetable under summer season. Summer coriander, summer leafy vegetable like spinach, coriander, fenugreek, summer radish, summer garlic, summer onion, summer mint. They are used for the 3 to 4 months in the extremely summer under plain condition system. And also this technology use of the summer tomato and summer capsicum we can use of the nursery, summer lettuce. So and the nest structure in the insect proof net structure is suitable for rain-fed area, dryland area. This is the beauty of the plain area in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. This is nowadays one of the unique structure development by IRI. This is good trial of that. So this is suitable for the more aeration, more ventilation, protects against insect pests and diseases. So suitable crop will be capsicum, crow kind, same pattern of the polyhouse technology. Tomato is a very good crop under net house condition. And cucumber is a very good under net house condition. We can take in 2 crop. First is a August to November, and third is a January. Second is a January to May. So 2 crop we can take in under net house conditions. The quality we can take in, we can receive by polyhouse technology. These are you can see either the export quality we can receive by protector cultivation technology. Packaging we can produce of the greenhouse. We can use the packaging system and sell to the high cost in the market. So these are the beauty of their innovation of this world. So these innovation, these technology, production technology, we can use of the soil-based cultivation. But nowadays, new innovation under protected condition is a soilless cultivation. So how many method, how many types of the media, how many types of the method, how many types of the production buckets, grow bags, and others. So we can see here, this is a new concept, is a nowadays a new innovation under protected cultivation. Soilless cultivation, you can see here. Soilless cultivation name is a hydroponic system, and second name is a vertical farming system, sensor-based system, IoT-based system. These are the known as hydroponic system of the drip under protected cultivation. So these are the soilless hydroponic system and vertical farming in the protected cultivation. So you can see the grow bag. So you can see the trench, grow bag, rock bed, and buffer bed. We can use of the soilless media. We can use different types of the method used for the soilless cultivation. Here is the soilless cultivation used kind of different pot cultivation, grow bag method, and other. So we can also grow equally to the soil-based cultivation as well compared to soilless cultivation. This is a grow bag system. You can grow any crop within year. These are the vertical farming and the pot cultivation, or lettuce cultivation, and other vegetable crops we can use along with the drip irrigation system. This is vertical, traditional vertical system. Vertical cultivation, all cucurbits will grow as vertically. These are protects against insect, pests, and diseases to the fruit during the touch to the soil. All fruit touch to the soil and damage to the soil fruit skin, and no market demand of that type of the fruit. So vertical farming we can use. So these are the hanging farming. These are the soilless farming. These are hydroponic and FT system. This is also water cultivation technology. This is the A-frame system, water cultivation technology known as hydroponics. So this is the beauty of the hydroponic system. We can use leafy vegetable excellently and economically. A-frame is one of the best sector as well compared to flat frame, multi-story frame. This is A-frame is a more beneficial under greenhouse for cultivation. So this is the soilless cultivation and the aquaponic. This aquaponic, we can grow the vegetable under polyhouse condition along with the fish cultivation, fish pond irrigation system, fish pond water use. So these are the aquaponic system. And the aeroponic system, water, nutri-water. Hydroponic use nutri-water. Aquaponic also provides nutri-water. And aeroponic use nutri-water. Nutri-water near to 20 to 30 ppm, water soluble NPK, or what liquid NPK we can use near to 20 to 30 ppm and spray by sprinklers in the root zone. The nutri water we can provide to the root zone with the help of timer. So these are the grow of the lettuce crop, pak choy, Chinese cabbage, strawberry, and other crop will grow in the aeroponic system. One of the best aeroponic system for the potato seed production. Potato seed production will be more important for aeroponic system. You can see that this is a view of the aeroponic system only for nutri-water provide to the root zone and taken the nutrition and water by root. So these are the root aeroponic system. Tower system for aeroponic system. Vertical gardening innovation. You can see the vertical gardening innovation. The hanging gardening innovation under protected condition. You can see here. LED light innovation under protected cultivation are permanent room cultivations. LED light we can help to the round air production of the indoor gardening. Robotic system nowadays robotic system used on the greenhouse farming for every each work. Pollination and pollinator farming. We can use pollinator during winter season. Those are suitable for the high yield and income. Micro irrigation is the lifeline of the potato cultivation crop. So these are the micro irrigation, hanging sprinkler and staking sprinkler, boom, micro tube irrigation system, drip irrigation system, boom irrigation system for nursery growing. So these are the irrigation system we can use for the protected cultivation technology. Those are the nursery purpose, those are the increase the humidity, and those are the provide to fertigation system. These are the micro irrigation system. So, but you can feel if you have not water in the rainfed area, dryland area, no need of the any problem. So we can start with the protected cultivation with the help of the roof rainwater harvesting. You can see here at a hill area, so no any availability of the water only for rainfed area. We can use of the rainfed cultivation. But protected cultivation, covered cultivation, no entry of the rain under inside of the polyhouse. So how can grow crop without water? So we have developed to the uh, poly tank, roof rainwater harvesting poly tank. So make the polytank and the link to the roof rainwater harvesting, and then water will be used for reverse to the irrigation system through the filter system. 2 to 3 filter system we can use of the roof rainwater for the hill area polyhouse cultivation. You can see roof rainwater harvesting. We can develop 300 rupees per cubic meter. This is cost of installation. And within 1 year, pay to the cost of installation of the roof rainwater harvesting. So these are the beauty of the roof rainwater harvesting. Within a payback period is in 1 year. 1 year for first year, the cost of installation can pay and free from the long life. So this is the beauty of the roof rainwater harvesting, a roof for the polyhouse irrigation under the hill areas, under the contour areas, under plateau area, under the rainfed areas and dryland areas. So this is the beauty of the polytime suitable for the polyhouse cultivation. So this is a economics we can calculate. There's a nursery. If you have nursery raising, round year 10 bags, more than income, more than 10 lakh to 12 lakh. If you grow tomato, August to June, one crop, we can receive more than 1 lakh rupees. If you grow capsicum August to May, one crop, we can receive more than 1.5 lakh rupees. If you grow 3 crop with the cucumber August to October, November to January, February to June, 3 crop, we can receive net return more than 3 lakh rupees per 1,000 meter squares. If you grow off-season sarda melon, September to November and January to April, so 2 crop we can do taken 2.4 lakh rupees, many more than 2 lakh rupees per 1,000 meter squares. If you grow long melon, September to December and January to April, and received more than 2 lakh rupees. Bitter gourd, September to December and January to May. In during off season, we can receive net income more than 2 lakh rupees. Summer squares more than 1 lakh rupees and up to 1 and 5 lakh rupees. So these are the beauty of the protected cultivation. Minimum area, maximum income. Same crop, maximum long life. So these are the uh, income generation for protected cultivation vegetable crop, likely to nursery, tomato, capsicum. If you belong the hill area and adapt to the my crop rotation, so you can earn more than 25,000 rupees up to 40 to 50 meter square polyhouse. Because a hill area having this size of the polyhouse, single span, 40 to 50 square meter. So if you grow February to March nursery, if you grow March to August crop, if you grow August to September nursery, if you grow September to November knoll khol, if you grow November December onion nursery, and if you grow December to February green onion, all will be calculated to the more than 25,000 rupees within a year. This crop rotation much more beneficial, economical to the weaker section farmer and landless farmer and hill farmer. These are the more economical. So these are the conclusion and recommendation of the farmer. So these are the naturally ventilated polyhouse is more beneficial for the all vegetable crop to the weaker section, small farmer. And plastic low tunnel was found beneficial for early and off-season production of the summer square. Plastic multi-technology was found 30 to 40% beneficial, come economical of production, open field tomato as better to the farmer. So the deep irrigation system is required for the irrigation and fertigation of the greenhouse crop, and total water requirement in the year at the rate of 2372240 lakh per cubic meter. uh, uh, and cucumber within 60 number of the irrigation required, and 198 to 200 liter cubic liter water required for the cucumber, with the 57 to 60 number irrigation in the tomato crop, capsicum crop, as per 1000 meters square polyhouse area under plain condition in India. So total dose of NPK 1000 for 1000 meter square area required for the cucumber 30, 40, 32 kg, and tomato 70, 24, 78 kg of the capsicum. The photo and training pruning are required for plant protection, and the other chemical we can use of the nursery. This is a summary. The protective cultivation technology is a boon for high value vegetable crop in respect of increased production 2 to 4 times, quality, color, freshness, shelf life, market demand, income, livelihood security, nutritional security, and socio-economic empowerment of the farmer and unemployment youth. This is a summary of the protective cultivation technology. And second is the enhanced water saving, water use efficiency, water productivity, and fertilizer use efficiency with the help of drip irrigation and fertigation system. This is the beauty of the protective cultivation technology. Average income more than 6 to 10 lakh rupees per annum from 1 acre area. This is the income range of the 1 acre area of the protected cultivation of for the vegetable. Employment generation capacity over 2 to 3% per acre, and potential to inject income generation through the subsidy business, including input development and supply. So these are the summary and conclusions. These are the fertilizer and fertigation is the beauty of the protector cultivation, lifeline of the protector cultivation, backbone of the protector cultivation. So you can see here the water soluble or liquid fertilizer are play a key role in the protected condition crop production. 50 to 60% mega fertilizer used as a basal dose, rest 40% used through the fertigation system. Micronutrient application given 7500 ppm in the time of within a month for the controlled deficiency and improved fruit quality and yield under polyhouse vegetables. Fertigation given in the sequencing of the at the rate of 100 ppm, 150 ppm, 200 ppm or low, medium, high method are good for the crop production. Deep irrigation and fertigation are the lifeline for protected cultivation and enhance water and fertilizer use efficiency and productivity. So these are the conclusion and these are the backbone for the protected cultivation. And this is a slogan, the quality fertilizer with the scientific recommendation, that is right dose, right time and right place, a boon for horticulture crop condition. So this is the this is the fertigation system and this is a fertilizer. This is fertilizer role under protective fertigation technology. So these are the conclusion we can see here. Plastic culture application come protector cultivation technology, a boon for horticulture crop in the respect of increased quality, doubling income, socio-economic empowerment, livelihood security and nutritional security of the farmer, woman farmer, and employment youth. These are the conclusion of protector cultivation. We can see and learn more. And these are some constants of protector cultivation, like that. First is the high cost, suitability of design with the crop requirement, and circumstance of quality of the fabrication, lack of material input of planting material, availability in the remote and distant areas, lack of technical how-know, long payback period to the total cost, additional maintenance cost, non-availability of the mass release of bioagent, non-availability of the pollinator, marketing uncertainty. These are the some constants. These are my publication go through the IRI system, and this is the publications. These are the one of the best book in India. We have wrote the first time that these are the Hindi and English greenhouse खेती and greenhouse agriculture. In the this is the first book in the protector for the protector cultivation, suitable for the student, grower, farmers, KVK farmers, KVK scientists, and teachers. These are the beneficial for all. This is the first book in India. Those are published in the Hindi and English. So these are the digit we can see here. अगर आप अच्छा काम करते हैं, चाहे आप साइंटिस्ट हैं, चाहे आप ग्रोवर हैं, चाहे आप फार्मर हैं, अच्छा काम करते हैं, चाहे आप प्राइवेट सेक्टर में हैं, तो आपके पास विजिट वीआईपी विजिट जरूर होती है। जैसा कि मैंने उत्तराखंड में जब काम किया, आईआरआई में आके काम किया, अच्छा काम किया, तो यहाँ काम को देखने, काम को सीखने और काम को डिसिमिनेट करने के लिए वीआईपीज अलग अलग जगहों से आईसीआर के वीआईपी ऑफिसर एंड अदर लोग आते हैं, तो वो देखते हैं, जिससे आपका सम्मान बढ़ता है और टेक्नोलॉजी को लोग अपनाते हैं और किसानों को एक जो है विश्वास होता है कि हाँ, ये टेक्नोलॉजी की जा सकती है। विदाउट डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन, विदाउट विजिट, वी कैन नॉट प्रमोट टू we cannot disseminate to the protector cultivation technology because of the high cost. So you can see in the visit, so a lot of the visitor can see of the protector cultivation technology. This is my Pitama is ICR is the professor, my director sir, जैसे XDG एप्पल सर, हॉर्टिकल्चर पितामह डॉक्टर चड्ढा सर, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्रेटरी माय डायरेक्टर, XDDG हॉर्टिकल्चर, XDDG इंजीनियरिंग, XDDG एक्सटेंशन, XDDG हॉर्टिकल्चर, प्रेजेंटली प्रभात कुमार सर, कमिश्नर हॉर्टिकल्चर, एक्स डायरेक्टर IRI, and presently director IHR, Dr. Behara sir. So thank to all and for the listen silently. So I wish to all, anybody ask question and query, and this is my number 7042525454. You can note down, and anytime most welcome. You can call me and discuss me about protector cultivation technology A to Z of the method of the protector cultivation we discussed. So thank you all. I wish to all and आप लोगों के सफल सुखद और उज्जवल भविष्य की मैं कामना करता हूँ. More than 600 for student and officer and grower all joined of this technology. So thank you for your attention.